We're here for another dunk contest with Gerard Jesus. Stay tuned, folks. Hey fellas, stay tuned for this dunk, awesomest dunk ever in the world. Yeah. How to say the dunk with Gerard Jesus? That happened kanina.
It's failed.
Failed, bitch. How about you, Gilbert?
What?
With that ass.
You know, the dog, it's failed, but you know, it's gonna do it. I take it. Yeah.
Mukha kasi Pacquiao.
Okay.
You, Gerard Jesus the dunker. What can you do about your dunk in your abs? Okay, he's the judge. Another judge. I am the interviewer. I am the reporter, Jopo Miranda. Stay tuned. And the dunker, here it is, Gerard Jesus. Let's go. Here is the fucking interviewer.
Let the game time begin.
This is not the game, bitch. Bigay mo na.
Wait.
Oh my God. Dali. Dunk na dunk. Here it is. Yeah, fail. Another one.
He can do it, man.
Can do it. I know it. I know he can. I have full support in him.
Sabi mo, say Jerd 3 times so he can dunk.
Jerd. Woo! I have many perspectives in him. Let's go.
See the donuts. Oh, come on, vamonos.
Come on, vamonos.
Let's go.
Everybody, let's
Come
go.
on, let's get to it. I know that Jerd can do it. Where are we going? We're gonna dunk the ball. Where are we going? We're gonna dunk the ball. Let's go, Jerd. Dunk the ball. Let's go, Jerd. Dunk the ball. Okay. We have 45 seconds to start. So, I got
Sorry for the fail. Tapos ko kanina. O, isa pa. Okay, game. Sorry na fail kasi. Game na, isa pa. Tangin ang dami na.
Paano yung common bonus ko?
Sige, ulit mo.
Okay. Jerd's gonna dunk the ball, so you have to say Jerd 3 times. Pakita mo kami si Jerd.
Jerd.
Say it louder.
Jerd.
Louder, please.
Jerd.
Okay.
Tangin na, naiyak na ako.
Let's sing the dunk song.
Come on, vamonos. Everybody, let's go. I know you can do it. I know that you can do it.
What gonna Jerd do? He's gonna dunk. What gonna Jerd do? He's gonna dunk. So let's go.
Let's do this.
Boots, show your face.
Hey, Jago. How are you, Jago?
Okay?
Hey, Dora.
At least I'm you. Okay.
Dora. Swiper.
Okay, Swiper. You have 4 seconds to dunk the ball. So you get to it.
Dora is the host.
Do it!
Here it comes. Another dunk festival. Oh! Did you see that, folks? He dunked the ball in the air!
Courtesy of Mommy Sol, the mom of Gerard. He's gonna let us eat and...
Courtesy of ESPN, TV, NBA. Okay,